happy to be here in Fiji. We are here with our children. We are happy to be able to share our culture through our songs and through our dances. The name of our group is Yellowbird Indian Dancers.
We have visited a school where they still continue to teach and encourage traditional songs and dances. We also went to a traditional village where the people still live in their traditional huts, and it was a pleasure to see that some of the people here are still clinging strongly to their culture.
Yellowbird Apache Dance Group. The first time this group of Native Americans have come into this area of the South Pacific to perform.
And I really feel that it's a great honor and a privilege to be able to come to Fiji and to let people know that there are many different Native American tribes in America.
One of the things that I really enjoyed about the embassy and its program is that we get to interact with a lot of the people.